Hello everyone. Let's look at the steps to connect to a remote computer because there is a new way to perform this task on Windows 11. For context, previously you could use the remote desktop app, but Microsoft has discontinued it in favor of the new Windows app. While the name sounds generic, it is actually a unified client designed to provide secure access not only to PCs and the local network, but also to cloud-based environments like Azure Virtual Desktop, Windows 365, Microsoft DevBox, and remote desktop services. One thing to note is that you cannot use your personal account in order to sign in the app. Also, without a work account, you can only use it to establish a remote connection in the local network. In other words, if you use it for personal use, you only get limited access to the Windows app to use the remote desktop feature. Another thing to note is that this application is cross-platform and it is available on Windows 11, Windows 10, macOS, iOS, iPadOS, Android, Chrome OS, and through the web browser, and even on Meta Quest headsets, making a consistent remote access solution across devices. Of course, before getting started, you have to make sure that the computer you want to connect remotely has Remote Desktop turned on. And you do that from the Settings tab, more specifically from System, Remote Desktop, and then you need to turn on the Remote Desktop toggle switch. Also make sure that you need to know the computer name, or you can also access the computer through the IP address, which you can get from the active network connection. Okay, first you need to install the Windows app on your computer, and to do that you need to go to the Microsoft Store and then just simply look for Windows app, click on the top result, and then we're going to select the Windows app. I already have it installed on my computer, but in your case the button would read install or get. Now to get started, click the add button, and in here you just need to enter the computer name or the IP address of the remote computer. Now you can add the computer directly to the Windows app, or you can also access the additional settings, but these are optional. So here you can specify a nickname. You can also configure some display configuration. For example, you can connect all the displays, a single display, or you can select a display. And from here you can also choose the fit and to connect to a single display when in windowed mode. And then there are some directions, features that you can turn on. For example, you can access the camera, speaker, and microphone on your computer from the remote desktop. You can also configure mouse and keyboard settings. You can also configure redirection for mouse and keyboard. And there are other features that you can also redirect to a remote session, including printers and drives. Once you're done with the configuration, you can add it and connect directly, or you can just add it to the Windows app. Now to establish a remote connection, simply click on the computer. You might get different warnings. Usually you want to accept them. Actually, I typed the IP address incorrectly, so I just fixed it. And now we can just click on the computer, and then we're going to establish the remote session. And that's it. We just established a remote connection using the Windows app. Now, if you want to modify the settings, you can do it from here. You can also delete the connection, and you can send it to your favorites. On the devices page, you can also change the view and sort the list ascending or descending. Finally, we can also access the settings, but there are not many things that we can configure on this page. We can only choose the color mode, and you can also join the insider group to get early releases for upcoming features and improvements. And that's it. That is how you establish a remote connection using the Windows app on Windows 11. Now, it is important to clarify that you can install the Windows app on Windows 11 Pro and Windows 11 Home, but you can only connect to devices running Windows 11 Pro or higher releases. Windows 11 Home does not include the remote desktop protocol in order to access it remotely. And that's it. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Windows app. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.